my name is Zenijin and welcome back to Crunch. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Tesla Model 3's key card. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Now you're probably here. Under the autopilot camera, you just press the key card right here. Then you come inside the car and then you put the key card right here. Then you press the brake to start the car. Thank you for watching today's video on how to use your Tesla Model 3's key card. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll not miss a parking video again. I'll see you soon. Bye!